Can I connect my ITV Hub app to my smart TV?
Hello there. Today, we're going to walk you through how to connect your ITV Hub app to your smart TV. ITV Hub offers a wealth of shows, movies, and live broadcasts, and by linking it to your smart TV, you can enjoy all this content on a bigger screen. Let's get started.
Is your TV compatible?
The first thing you need to check is whether your smart TV is compatible with the ITV Hub app. Many brands, including Samsung, LG, Sony, and Panasonic, offer native support for ITV Hub, meaning the app is often pre-installed or available to download in their app stores. Check your TV's app store to see if the ITV Hub app is available.
Downloading ITV Hub on your smart TV.
Once you've confirmed that your TV is compatible, the next step is to download and install the ITV Hub app. Here's how. 1. Press the Home or Menu button on your TV remote. 2. Select the App Store or Apps option on your TV. The exact name may differ based on your TV brand. 3. Use the search function to look for ITV Hub. 4. Once you've found the app, select it and choose the Install or Download option. The app should begin downloading and will be installed on your TV.
Setting up your ITV Hub account.
After installing the ITV Hub app on your TV, you'll need to log in or create an ITV Hub account. 1. Open the ITV Hub app on your TV. 2. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by selecting the Sign Up option and following the on-screen instructions. 3. Once you're logged in, you can start enjoying the content on your TV. And that's it. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to connect your ITV Hub app to your smart TV. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite shows and movies on the big screen. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others. Happy viewing!